Wall-mounted vanities are a game changer for modern bathrooms. They create a sleek, minimalist look while maximising floor space, making even small bathrooms feel open and airy. Josef Martin is a beautiful, bespoke, handcrafted furniture brand that is exclusively stocked here at Bathshack. We'll link even more videos about Josef Martin furniture in the description. But here are our top 3 current favourite wall-mounted vanities. First up is a new Josef Martin vanity. This is the Josef Martin bespoke vanity with the added black frame detail and inset basin. This basin boasts an industrial aesthetic while providing ample storage with a soft closed drawer. The grape shade is brand new to Josef Martin and is a great colour to choose to add a touch of colour to your bathroom while still being understated and muted. Next up is something small for someone who loves a pop of colour. This is the Josef Martin Havana vanity with the striking scallop drawer detail. We have it paired with a countertop basin with some countertop space to decorate, but you can also opt for an inset basin with this design too. And finally, for a classic and timeless look, consider the Josef Martin Estrado vanity with the fully fluted detail. The neutral tones of this unit offer a subtle elegance that can seamlessly blend into various bathroom designs. Each of these Josef Martin vanities are designed to enhance your bathroom's aesthetic while providing practical storage solutions. Be sure to head across to the Bathshack website to browse more Josef Martin vanity options. Like this video and subscribe to Bathshack here on YouTube. Shop luxury for less at bathshack.com.